Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SANP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And for today's chart, update, not really an update in the sense of, levels of support or resistance changing, more so kind of confirmation of things. And really the biggest part that happened today, in my eyes at least, is that things went sideways, which is, I think, about as bullish as it could get. Why do I say that? Well, maybe you're saying, well, geez, that's kind of setting the bar kind of low, Clay, going sideways and you're calling bullish. Well, let's keep things in context. What was happening yesterday going into the close? I mean, the price was falling and getting hammered and hammered and hammered. I mean, it was not looking very pretty. And then all of a sudden today, the price has gone sideways. Now, just because it's gone sideways, does that mean that this thing's going to go up and hit a nickel tomorrow? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that relative to what was going on late day yesterday being on Tuesday, the price going sideways suggests that the price is attempting to stabilize. And as I talked about in yesterday's video, that's what it's all about from the big picture perspective. You want to see the prices stabilize, aka build higher bases. And as long as those higher bases are being built over time, then that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. And as I illustrated in yesterday's video, I want to do that again. Let's just say that this actually rolls back over. Not saying it'll happen, but let's just pretend. Comes down here and then behaves in that manner before finally starting to head back up. If that were to happen, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there, so you'd have a base right there. Previous base would be down there. If you look at these as stair steps, well, hey, the overall stair steps are still heading in the upwards direction. So yeah, today maybe wasn't exactly exciting because all it essentially did was went sideways. But again, given the context of things, sideways, pretty healthy day, and it's still up above 0013, which is that green line down there, which is a very important level of support for that reason we just discussed in terms of building that higher base. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, yeah, you got 0028 up there, but before you even think about talking about that one, bulls first got to prove themselves, and I am defining quote-unquote proving themselves as not only getting up above 0021, but staying up above it. So all in all, not an exciting day, but a healthy day, so we'll see how the rest of this week unfolds. Still 2 days left. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.